Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your headphones SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2. And all controls we have at the bottom of the right headphone. But here we have two controls. The plus button is to volume up your music and minus button to volume down your music. This one is multifunctional button. Now let me play some song. If you press one time at the multifunctional button, you will play or pause the song. And as you can see, I just pause it, press again, and I play the song. To increase the volume, you need to single press at the volume up button. And as you can see at this widget, I increase the volume. To lower it, use volume down button. So again, single press on it, and as you can see, I lower the volume. If you press and hold at the volume up button, you will play next track. Here we go. If you press and hold at the volume down button, you will play previous track. And as you can see, it works. Then we have double press. With the double press, you can call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call the Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you have something, you will call Bixby. Let's check it. 1, 2. And as you can see, I just called the Siri. Then we have triple press. Let me open the application to show it for you. So with this triple press, we can enable or disable game mode. Here we go, right here we have game mode. 1, 2, 3. I just enable. 1, 2, 3. And I disable game mode. Okay, when somebody calls to you, you can answer the call by single press at the multifunctional button. Then you can finish the call, but double press at the multifunctional button. If you wanna reject a call, you need to triple press at the multifunctional button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.